Meaning of imaging.
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 Imaging. Imaging refers to the process of creating visual representations of objects or phenomena. It involves capturing, processing, and displaying images using various techniques and technologies such as photography, microscopy, tomography, and magnetic resonance imaging, MRI. The result of imaging can be a 2D or 3D image that provides a non-invasive or minimally invasive way to visualize internal structures and functions of biological organisms or physical systems. Imaging plays an important role in many fields including medicine, biology, engineering, and astronomy, enabling researchers, doctors, and engineers to better understand and analyze complex structures and processes.